ever seen such kind of plantation or heard about this? There is a plantation inside the glass room. Walls, glass, roof, glass. What is the purpose of making of this? Sun radiation will come inside, right? The plant will take and it won't go directly, but it will be trapped inside. So that when there is some lower temperature, then plant can utilize. That is the greenhouse effect. Is it good or bad? Good. It is good to live plant, right? So, okay. This is something about the greenhouse effect, which is nothing to do with the green. Okay. Tell me the temperature of the universe. What could be the temperature of the universe? Minus 270. Very accurate. Are you? No. Okay. Fine. I was about to say something around minus 250, but to be very precise, this is minus 270 degrees centigrade of the universe temperature. But Earth having advantage of what? Near to sun. Near to sun. Okay. Now, see, I'm talking about now GHG gases or something like that. Yeah. So we have atmosphere. What is specialty about Earth? Earth is having atmosphere, kind of blanket. If you have blanket, you will feel cozy, right? There is temperature minus 270, but we are near to sun. Without blanket, if sun directly comes to Earth and goes back, re-emit back to space, then the temperature would have been minus 15 degrees centigrade. How much? Minus 15 still. Is it livable temperature? No. Why? Minus 15 degrees centigrade means ice. There will be no water. Life is not possible. So how life is possible? How it has been? It could have been possible. All of this because of CO2, because of methane, because of some of your industrialization many years ago I'm talking about, right? Something agriculture or right. So what are the greenhouse gases? Water vapor is also one of them, right? CO2, methane, right? CO2, methane. Now I will be talking about the climate change, global warming, greenhouse effect. I have told you greenhouse effect. Now moving to the global warming something and climate change, right? What I was talking about? Minus 15 degrees centigrade if we don't have blanket of greenhouse gases. So called now greenhouse effect. Without greenhouse effect. Now due to this carbon dioxide, methane and everything, which is the natural thing, due to this we have temperature of plus 33, minus 15 plus 33 would be around or minus 18 something plus 15 or plus 18 degrees centigrade. Plus 18 degrees centigrade, right? Now this average temperature, somewhere it could be more, somewhere it could be less, right? But the average temperature now plus 18 degrees centigrade. Is it life supporting? Yes. Plus 18 degrees centigrade. You have liquid water as a liquid, right? Plus 18. What makes it possible now? Due to greenhouse effect, which was natural process, now comes into picture why this is become a dirt or a bad thing due to industrialization, due to deforestation. What the forest or the tree does, what it does? It takes CO2, it gives oxygen. But here what happens? Now what is happening? Industrialization produces CO2, lots of CO2, unnecessarily, right? Okay. When sun radiation comes inside the Earth's surface through this crossing this, blanket as a short wavelength, then these greenhouse gases, they do not absorb heat. They do not absorb because of short wavelength. Then it comes back to hit the Earth surface, then it re-emits. Then the presence in the atmosphere, CO2, methane, everything. Earlier it was not absorbing while coming because of short wavelength. Now it is re-emitting, then it is converting into the long wave radiation. Now these gases, what it does, it traps the heat. It traps the heat, and heat gives the atmosphere sufficient temperature, which converts -18 to +50. Right? But more and more CO2, more and more methane. Does farming also creates which gas? Due to cow and everything, yeah? Methane, everything, right? Right? So, what it does, it now trapping more heat. Now trapping more heat. What will happen? If it is trapping more heat, then more temperature. What comes into picture? Global warming. This is the normal. All these things were normal. If I don't have the live chart with me. If you will see in the internet, temperature above versus the Earth. For changing the temperature variation, now I am coming into the climate change terminology, right? Hundreds of thousands of years take to change the temperature. Change in temperature to occur 0.8 to 0.2 degrees centigrade. It's a slow process which takes hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change. It's not a new terminology. But over the decades, since industrialization from 1960 something was right, for that decade, point something, I don't remember the exact figure, something say 0.16 or degree centigrade. Change in temperature. So Earth is such a big temperature. You will say 1 degree centigrade. To get 0.1 degree rise in temperature even. How much heat will need overall Earth? Can you imagine? It's not about a room. It's not about a small thing. It's about the Earth. Overall Earth. But now, recently in this decade, it happens 0.26 or twice. Increase in temperature. Rapid temperature. Now we were up to 1.2 degrees centigrade. If this will remain so and so, then we will hit the temperature by 2030 to 1.5 degrees centigrade. In 2050, it might go up to 2 degrees centigrade or 3 degrees centigrade. Then there will be no life. There will be no life. Glacier, wherever temperature, this is again a very long subject. I won't go that deep. Right? Understand climate change? Climate greenhouse effect was a natural, but we human made it, excess, something bad, right? Again, climate change was nothing new. It was happening from hundreds of thousands, slowly. But now, why? Because of greenhouse gases and trapping the temperature and ozone layer, breaking of ozone layer, coming into UV radiations and everything. That increasing the temperature. That is what? The climate change, rapid change in temperature. So it is a dust. It is a point of consideration. Now, one last I want to touch. Global warming potential. So, sir has nicely explained in one of the slides. Global warming potential. Carbon dioxide is having 1, right? We have taken it as a reference. But see, the global warming depends upon 2 factors. How long the gas stays in the atmosphere and what is its global warming potential. So carbon dioxide stays in atmosphere for hundreds of thousands of years. But methane stays, say, at 10 years. Other hydrocarbons or other F series gases, what is that? That is the hydrofluorocarbons, which is HFCs, yeah, hydrofluoro, which is comes from the human activity. I mean, like refrigeration and everything, refrigerants, right? So there's just more lesser. Now, but what is the point here? Methane has a global warming potential of 23-28, right?
Yes, 23.
What is global warming potential? Now, methane has a potential of what? Warming or trapping the heat 28 or 23 times more than CO2. What 1 ton of CO2 can does, equivalent to 23, I mean like 23 times more. Only a single ton of methane, 23 times more. And something, sir, kitna? 256 or something for hydro. NOx, 253 times more. So that is why, or even all these things, global warming potential. Now, see, in trading or in currency, what we have, the unit as a rupees. So in this carbon market or in this trading system, what we have, evaluation and calculations. There is GHG evaluation, GHG calculation, GHG inventories. All these terminologies are there in the more bigger picture. Tons of CO2 equivalent. The unit is tons of CO2 equivalent. So you have to say what is the amount of CO2 and what is its global warming potential multiplied. What is GWP of CO2? 1. Whatever amount is this, it will be tons of CO2. Whatever methane is there from your industry or something, amount in kgs multiplied by its global warming potential, which is 23. That will be equivalent to tons of CO2. Like NOx, whatever amount of NOx and its global warming potential, something 256 multiplied is equal to tons of CO2. Now all quantities of, your methane, NOx, FCX, whatever gases are there, water vapor, all global warming potential values you have converted into ton of CO2 equivalent. Now you have overall sum of ton of CO2 equivalent. Yeah, this was more broader picture about the global warming potential, which will come more into clarity further if we have the sessions for the GHG evaluation, inventories. This is a big picture. That's what I want to say. 4 topics I need to cover, just to touch. Thank you.
Thank you very much.